Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to share this beautiful book. It's a really thick book, and I'm sorry, I'm recording with my hand, and it has a handle over here, and this is a book of laminates, and it's a really huge and heavy book. I don't know the size, but I think it's more than 12 inches long and about, I think, 12 inches wide. So if anyone has any ideas about what I can do with this after I show it to all. And this is a book of laminates, but the photo on the book is of a beautiful model sitting on a beautiful furniture which is made of wood, and it's all carved wood. So I wonder why they put this photo on a book of laminates. It's really beyond me. So let's go through and see what type of laminates we have inside. And here she is again on the inside cover. And I was thinking maybe I could make this into an ephemera book because the pages are really thick. Really thick. It is thicker than cardstock and really heavy pages. And I tried removing one piece of laminate from here, and it's quite easy to remove them. There are some really beautiful pieces. So if anyone has any idea if they can use these pieces in some craft, or if anybody would like to have some pieces of this laminated pieces. So they are all, some are colorful, some are squares, rectangles, some have wood finish, and this one has already come loose, so it's a really hard piece. So it's these pieces, and I don't know if we can use this in junk journals or anything. And this one with some embossed flowers, and this is also a lovely wooden finish. So I'll quickly go through all the pages. If anyone has any ideas, so please leave me a comment, and I will try to remove all these pieces, and then I will show you what I did with this book. Oh, these are really pretty, and they feel also very nice. These are like embossed squares. Some are lovely bright colors, some are dark colors. And this one has like a very smooth finish. And there are many pieces, and this one is really nice textured, or almost like wood. I'll use my other hand. So I hope everyone is doing well. I have a condition with my thumbs. I can't bend them more than this. This is the only uh, bending that I can do. So I have taken some medication. Let's see. And this one has some beautiful flower pattern. So hope everyone is doing well. And these are small pieces, and they are removable. I will share a video after I have removed them, and these are small pieces. And that's the end of our book, and it's so heavy that I can hardly lift it. So I hope you enjoyed going through this book with me, and if anyone has any ideas, so please let me know, and take care, and see you soon. Bye bye.